Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. For any of you guys trying to see how to install the Sigeyi Power Meter, I think that's how you pronounce that. If not, excuse me guys, but that's the power meter right here. Specifically ours is for the Shimano right here, but if you have the SRAM you can get one for it as well. They have 4 or 5 different versions. We'll explain how to do that step by step. Stay with us. But before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here, usually at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We show you how to do anything from engine work, transmissions, body work, electrical fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your bicycle or a car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So what you need to do now, if you come right here, okay, this is the Shimano XT crank arm. So you have it installed, right guys, on the bicycle. So what you will need to do, you need to pull it out, okay. We'll have video on our channel how to remove the crank arm, which is not very complicated guys. And once you do that, we're going to get the power meter. Now this is the crank position here, okay. We're going to pull that sticker, we don't need it. And we're going to here you're going to have the chain ring, but we have ours removed because we just bought that whole new set. And if you have the chain ring, you're going to have that nut. You will need a special tool to remove it. I will show you the tool in a second. And here now, what we're going to do, we're going to apply it right there. It goes only in one certain position guys. Then we're going to get our nut. It will come like this one. We're going to start tightening it by hand. And this one needs to be between 35 and 50 Newton meters tightened. So I'm going to go ahead, start it like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'll get the tool. Give me just a minute guys. Now the tool itself, we will need to use a wrench because the socket will not fit there. It goes like that through here, fits right there. So all I have to do is get a big wrench, tighten that one, and practically after that we are ready to continue with the next step. So we're going to go ahead, tighten it now. Okay. Careful not to damage your power meter, by the way. Okay, perfect. That's it. All I have to do, pull the tool out, and now, okay, you have the seals, the bushings here, everything, but practically everything needs to be put together in reverse order. We took it apart. We're going to install that chain ring. Okay, it will go like this one here, and all we have to do is install the chain ring. It's the specific Shimano size. You can see it fits perfect. The minimum one that you can get is 32 teeth. You cannot go lower. My original one was 30, but I'll go to 32 because otherwise it will not fit guys. And we're ready to continue after that with the next step. So we just pushed it in guys. Okay, now we're installing this. We need to align everything. It goes only one way. Okay, perfect. Let me now, okay, I need to get the cap guys. Okay, right there. The cap goes on the side. This cap, okay, let me see what size tool it is. It's a star looking bit. Okay, let's focus quick, if we can, with the camera here. Okay, right there. Let me go grab the right tool and we'll continue. So we're installing the cap. Nothing is tight yet, guys, okay. Going to go ahead and install it. Okay. Perfect. We need to check to make sure we don't have any play in the system. We can get everything tight and we're going to install the chain ring, see how everything works now. So now we're ready guys to install the chain ring. It's going to go like that. It goes only one certain way, okay. Otherwise it may not, oh, it fits everywhere, okay, because that's the Shimano guys. So I'm going to get the chain ring bolts, unscrew the 2 parts. Okay, the one with the screwdriver end goes towards the back side and this one goes towards the front side. So we have to do, just install them. Okay, first do not get anything tight. What you want to do guys, okay, you want to go ahead and install all of them before you get them tight. Now, starting them sometimes it's a little bit tricky.
Okay, because it's super tight fit, by the way. Perfect, this one started. Now I'm going to do all 4 of them like that one. After you install 2, everything goes really easy due to the fact that everything's aligning at that point. So let me start this one. Perfect, 2 more. And we have to, it says that we need to get them 8 Newton meters on the bolt, it says. Some bolts will be different, but I usually go around 8 Newton meters on those. So we have the torque wrench here to tighten it. Okay, let's see now. Perfect, and just the last one. After that we need to get everything tight, and you tighten them until you hear a click from the torque wrench. Okay, great, those things are amazing, really good quality. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get chainring bolts if you need to. They're very inexpensive. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, okay, and start. Torque wrench is set at about 8. I have it here. I'm going to hold the back side, and when you hear the click, okay, we need to stop. Right there, that's 8 Newton meters. Next one now. Okay, I cannot see the thing. Perfect. And recheck all of them again after that. Okay. It's spinning, so I need to hold it on the back, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, this one. Click 2, and we have just 2 more after that, guys. Perfect, and last one. Recheck all of them again. After riding for a little bit, let me check this one here one more time. Okay, perfect. So we're going to get that crank tight, install the pedals and see how it works. So guys, it's installed now, okay? That's it, right there. I downloaded the app. This is the app right here. And it gives you the balance, left, right. You can calibrate it. You have firmware updates, all that stuff. It's the XO app. It's amazing, guys, okay? And I actually, okay, let me have somebody just hold the camera for a second. I want to show you. I even connected it to the Garmin watch. So if you have Garmin equipment, it will work as well. If I go to sensors here, I click add new sensor, and the sensor is right here, PWR. Okay, this is the sensor, guys, power meter. So amazing. I'll definitely recommend it. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.